Hello friends and welcome to the exams made simple. So as you can see in the topic itself, the topic is 5 books you must read for self motivation. 5 books which you must read if you are not feeling to do the work which you ought to do. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप वो काम नहीं कर सकते जो आपको करना चाहिए, या आप डिप्रेस्ड फील कर रहे हैं, या आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ ऐसी चीज चाहिए जो आपको इंटरनल पुश दे for doing that work, then you should read these 5 books which I will suggest you. I have read these books and they have helped me a lot. Okay, so they have helped me in growing as a person, they have helped me in growing as an entrepreneur, they have helped me in growing as a government employee. तो हर तरीके से उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प की है. Being at different roles, I have learnt a lot from these books, and these are the 5 books which I think every student should read, which every person should read in order to become a upgraded version of himself. So if you want to become an upgraded version of yourself, then you should refer to these 5 books which I am going to tell you. So these are the 5 books which I will tell you. These are directly the names. First book which I think has highly helped me and highly motivated me is the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. So this is the first book which I will refer to you. You must read this book, and this will help you a lot in developing yourself as a person. This will help you in developing some of the very good habits which you should have, and these are the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, written by Stephen R. Covey. Stephen R. Covey has written this book. Great book, amazing book, and you should read this book for becoming an upgraded version of yourself. This is the first book which I will refer. Second book is that Man's Search for Meaning. Now Viktor E. Frankl, एक कोट है बाय नीड्स से, ही सेज दैट इफ यू हैव अ वाई फॉर लाइफ देन यू विल नॉट वरी अबाउट हाउ इन द लाइफ. मतलब इफ यू हैव अ रीजन और इफ यू हैव अ पर्पज इन लाइफ देन दैट विल ईज योर लाइफ अ लॉट. अगर आपके पास पर्पज नहीं है देन दैट लाइफ विल बिकम वेरी tough. Man's Search for Meaning has been written by Viktor E. Frankl, who himself was in a detention center by हिटलर के डिटेंशन कैंप में थे ये विक्टर ई फ्रैंकल. लेकिन उसके बाद भी वहां पे इन्होंने काफी लोगों से बात की, एंड ही फाउंड दैट वन थिंग विच वाज कीपिंग एवरी पर्सन अलाइव, और विच वाज द रीजन व्हाई एवरी पर्सन वाज विलिंग टू लिव, is that there was a purpose for everyone. There was a purpose for everyone, and when you have a purpose, then you will definitely survive whatever the odds may be. So this is the second book which I will refer, Man's Search for Meaning. Again, a great book written by Viktor E. Frankl. You should refer to this. Third book which I found very great, and this is one book where you will find the aspects of money as well. The Power of Subconscious Mind. How to attract money. किस तरीके से आप पैसे को अट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हो. बीइंग अगर आपको एक चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है कि देर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच मनी कांट बाय डेफिनेटली, बट देर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच मनी कैन बाय ऑल्सो. सो if you want to buy those things, then you need money, and if you need money, you need some tricks which other persons don't have. You need some extra luck which other persons don't have. So this book is one book which I think can be helpful in that as well. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. How to keep your mind awakened even when you are asleep. So this is the book to refer for, The Power of Subconscious Mind, and this is written by Joseph Murphy. A great book again, and many copies have been sold of this book as well. So The Power of Subconscious Mind is the third book which I will refer to you people. Fourth, self-help group or motivational book. This is one of my most favorite books. Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die. So one thing he says कि जब आप पैदा हुए थे तो कुछ लोग खुशी मना रहे थे और मतलब बाकी सब लोग हंस रहे थे, and you were the one who was crying. You should make your death something like कि everyone else is crying but you are लाफिंग एट दैट मोमेंट. सो अगर आप अपनी मौत को ऐसा बना सकते हो कि बाकी सब रोएं लेकिन आप खुश रहो, हंसते रहो, मींस इफ यू आर सेटिस्फाइड विद योर लाइफ इन योर एंड मोमेंट्स, देन दैट इज द लाइफ वर्थ स्ट्राइविंग फॉर. हु विल क्राई व्हेन यू डाई इज वन सच बुक वेयर मेनी लेसन्स आर गिवन दैट कि क्या आपको करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि वन ऑफ द लेसन्स गिवन बाय रॉबिन शर्मा इन दैट इज दैट यू शुड नॉट पिक अप एवरी कॉल दैट रिंग्स. एवरी कॉल दैट रिंग्स इज नॉट देयरफॉर, मतलब कि अगर आपके पास फोन में घंटी आ गई इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको फोन उठाना ही उठाना है. सो दिस इज वन लेसन विच रॉबिन शर्मा गिव्स. दिस इज द फोर्थ बुक विच आई विल सजेस्ट टू यू, एंड मेनी कॉपीज हैव बीन सोल्ड ऑफ दिस बुक ऑल्सो. रॉबिन शर्मा, हु विल क्राई व्हेन यू डाई. दिस इज वन सच बुक. एंड लास्ट बुक विच आई थिंक think can be helpful in developing some of the wits in yourself. If you want to upgrade yourself with some laws in life, if you want to make sure that what to do in such condition, what to do in that condition, अगर आपको ये नहीं समझ में आता तो this is the book to refer for the 48 laws of power. Okay, this is the 48 laws of power, written by Robert Greene, a very good book जिसमें 48 चीजें लिखी हैं कि क्या आपको करना चाहिए. आई थिंक इसको पढ़ने का बेस्ट तरीका होगा कि यू शुड रीड वन लॉ ऑफ पावर एवरी डे. वन लॉ ऑफ पावर शुड बी रेड एवरी डे एंड उसको अपनी लाइफ में उतारने की कोशिश आपको करनी चाहिए. सो दीज आर द 5 मोटिवेशनल और 5 सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स विच कैन चेंज योर लाइफ एंड विच कैन मेक यू एन अपग्रेडेड पर्सन ऑफ योर सेल्फ. सो दिस इज द वीडियो आई थॉट मेकिंग फॉर यू पीपल सो दैट यू शुड नो व्हाट एल्स टू रीड अदर देन योर एग्जामिनेशन. थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर आपके एग्जाम के अलावा अगर आप 1 घंटे 2 घंटे वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, देन इंस्टेड of wasting that time or instead of using mobile phones or instead of going outside for joy purpose and all, you should find the joy inside. Reading gives you something, a joy, something worth striving for. So these are the 5 books which I will suggest. You can start one by one. I hope you will like them. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.